Hey, how's everybody doing today? Yeah, I know. Well, I'm gonna bring y'all along because I'm gonna try to do some pressure washing. Now, I'm telling y'all, this is a disclaimer. I have no clue of what. I have never used this thing before. I found it. Those of you who saw my video, I found this, clean the carburetor, and I may have played around with it on the fence once or twice last year, but it's been covered up. But I'm gonna try to get this stuff off right here. And I guess what better place to practice than on your own stuff, right? That way if I put a hole in something, it'd be mine. But I'm gonna see. It didn't have any tips. So I ordered some tips. I have no clue what. Oh, here it is right here. How embarrassing. Okay, yellow is delicate. Orange is general home. Okay. I was great to say I didn't know what to use, right? See what happened when we don't read? So what color tip I got in here? Okay, well then what is white then? I would assume a white tip would be for some delicate too, right? Y'all tell me. I'm just gonna leave the white one in there because I mean it seemed like the darker the color, the stronger, right? So what? Okay. Max. So the red one is oil stains. I guess for the driveway. Well, we're gonna man, do any of y'all have arthritis? Boy, if y'all do, then you know. I ain't gonna go on no soapbox, but boy, if you don't have it, you don't want it. Probably said too much because I know some of y'all gonna go off with that, but let me see how I can set you up. Hopefully this thing, I covered it up good and I ran all the gas out, so it should start. Let me see. I don't know how the tripod will work there, but well, it's gonna either be a success or a fail. Y'all know I don't edit nothing out, so you gonna see how this gonna roll. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, it just cut off. I know it's got plenty of gas in. Okay. I had to clean the carburetor, boys, and I'm back. How y'all think I'm doing? Y'all give me some advice here. I guess it's working. y'all gonna get all the way up. I gotta get up kinda high. Gotta go all the way up there, boy. Oh boy, I'm getting soaking wet here. I guess I gotta have on the rain suit. Oh boy. Uh-oh, it might cut off again. Let me try to get over here before it cut off, because it's real bad. Yeah, this is my first time really, you know, really trying this thing out. Uh-oh. Sound like you keep wanting to die out. Yeah, I had to clean that carburetor right. I did a quick and dirty. Alright, well, y'all get the idea. Y'all leave me some comments, man. I don't have anything hooked up. I don't know how to hook up that soap and all that. But I see a clear tube over there. I guess it go to something, but I don't know if I need it, do I? Alright, man, let me get to work. I'll talk to y'all later.